ओके दोस्तों, आप सभी का हमारे इस न्यू सेशन में स्वागत है। दोस्तों, आज हम आप सबको क्लास 10th मैथमेटिक्स में चैप्टर सरफेस एरियाज एंड वॉल्यूम्स डिस्कस करने चल रहे हैं। सो इन दिस चैप्टर सरफेस एरियाज एंड वॉल्यूम, एज यू नो दैट द एक्सरसाइज 13.1 is going on. And in exercise 13.1 we have completed question number 1, 2 and 3. So today I am going to carry forward the solution of the questions of this exercise and I have taken here the question number 4. बच्चों, क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने से पहले एक बात ध्यान रखना कि जब तक आपको क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग समझ में नहीं आए इन सभी रियल लाइफ एप्लीकेशन प्रॉब्लम्स का, तब तक आप सॉल्यूशन स्टार्ट नहीं करोगे। और एक बार मीनिंग समझ में आ जाने के बाद सो नो वन कैन स्टॉप यू, यू कैन सॉल्व एंड यू कैन फाइंड योर आंसर इजीली, नो डाउट्स शुड बी देयर। सो जी सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज गिवन अ क्यूबिकल ब्लॉक ऑफ साइज 7 सेंटीमीटर, मीन्स देयर इज अ क्यूब और जिसका साइड क्या है 7 सेंटीमीटर, मीन्स A is equals to 7 centimeter, right? It is surmounted by a hemisphere, means at the top of this cube there is a hemispherical part is kept. Then question is asking what is the greatest diameter of the hemisphere. Friends, in this video you can observe that there is a cube of side 7 centimeter. And at the top of this cube there is a hemisphere is kept. So you can observe that as the side of this cube is 7 centimeter, so this 7 centimeter will be the diameter of the hemisphere also. Okay, so the part of cube which is covered by the hemisphere is a circular region, means where at the top of the cube this hemisphere is kept. Therefore this top of the cube is covered by the hemisphere and the area covered by this hemisphere is the circular region whose diameter is 7 centimeter. It means the area of this circle is covered at the top. So therefore in the solution, let us see how to find the total surface area of this combination of solid. Okay children, so let us move to the solution of this question. So friends, after seeing the figure of this question, ये आपको क्लियर हो ही गया होगा कि what is the greatest diameter of the hemisphere. So from the figure we observe that the greatest diameter of figure, greatest diameter of the hemisphere will be hemisphere is 7 centimeter. So its radius will be radius of hemisphere is equals to 7 upon 2, which is 3.5 centimeter, right? अभी हमें क्या करना है, as you are observing there in the figure, so few part of the cube is covered by the base of the hemisphere, and you know that the base of hemisphere is a circular region. So the part which is covered by the hemisphere of the cube is the pi r square. तो हम क्या करेंगे, इस pi r square को टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द क्यूब से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, उसको माइनस कर देंगे। सो एज इट इज गिवन हियर द साइड ऑफ द ब्लॉक मीन्स क्यूबिकल ब्लॉक इज 7 centimeter. It means side of the cube which is written in the side, since side of cube is given 7 centimeter, it means it can be written as A is equals to 7 centimeter, right? So to find the total surface area of the solid obtained by the combination of these two sides, so TSA of solid obtained is equals to total surface area of cube minus area of the base of the cube hemisphere, area of base of hemisphere plus chord surface area of hemisphere. So let us solve it. Total surface area of cube is, you know the formula, 6a square, where a is the side of the cube, minus area of base of hemisphere which is circular, which is pi r square, plus chord surface area of hemisphere, you know the formula, which is 2 pi r square. So this is 6a square minus 1 pi r square plus 2 pi r square can be written as plus 1 pi r square. Now substitute the value of a, pi and r from the given information. We will get our answer easily. 6 into side of the cube is 7 square plus pi is 22 upon 7 multiplied by 3.5 whole square centimeter. अभी हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. This is 7 7s are 49, so 6 multiplied by 49 plus 22 upon 7, 3.5 into 3.5 centimeter square. अब इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. With the 7 5s are 35, it can be written as 6 9s are 54 and 6 4s are 24 plus 5 is 29 plus 22 into 0.5 means the half of 22, which is 11 multiplied by 3.5 centimeter square. So 294 plus इसको मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. 11 5 जा 55, 11 3 जा 33 plus 5 is 38 centimeter square. So after adding we will get 0.5, 8 4 12, 9 3 12 113 and 213 is centimeter square is our required answer. Means this is the total surface area of the solid after combining the cube and the hemisphere as you are observing there in the figure. Okay दोस्तों, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 स्टार्ट करते हैं और देखते हैं. इन दिस क्वेश्चन इट इज गिवन दैट a hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of cubical wooden block. There is a wooden block which is cubical in the shape, and from the one face a hemispherical depression is cut out such that the diameter of is L with the of the hemisphere is equal to the age of the cube. It means the age of the cube is equal to the diameter of the hemispherical part. So the question is asking determine the surface area of the remaining solid. Okay friends, in this question that the given a cube and at the one surface of this cube there is a hemispherical depth which is drawn in this cube. I think with the figure it is clear that at the top the hemispherical shape is dug from this cube. So to find the total surface area of this cube, as a given that the length of cube is L unit. So the diameter of this hemisphere will be also the L unit, right? So let us see the solution of this question, how to find the total surface area of this question. Right, as it is given, the diameter of, since diameter of hemisphere is equals to L unit. So the radius, therefore radius will be, radius of hemispherical part will be L upon 2 unit, L upon 2 unit, right? And this diameter of the hemisphere is equal to the age of the cube also, and it is given that the side of cube is equals to L unit, right? As it is clear from the figure that from the total surface area of cube, that the base of the hemisphere will be the minus, and after that we are going to find out determine the surface area of the remaining solid. So the surface area of solid obtained is equals to total surface area of cube, TSA of cube, minus area of circle and plus chord surface area of hemisphere. Okay, so let us find it. Total surface area of cube means 6a square, 6a square, minus area of circle is pi r square, plus chord surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Simplify करेंगे, 6a square plus 1 pi r square. अभी r is the radius which is L upon 2 and a is the side of the cube which is L unit. We have to substitute here. So it can be written as 6L square, as a is equals to L. From here we will get a is equals to L plus pi is 22 upon 7 into r is L upon 2 square centimeter square. अभी हम इसको simplify करते हैं. So we can see that 6L square plus 22 L square upon 7 4s are 28. Now simplify it. 28 is the LCM. So it can be written as 6 8 ja 48, 6 2s are 12, plus 4 is 16, L square plus 22 L square. So which can be written as 168 plus 2 is 170, plus 20 is 190 L square upon 28. Okay, when we simplify it by 2, we will get 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10, L square upon 14 square unit is the answer, means the surface area of the remaining solid in terms of L. and L is the side of cube and diameter of the hemispherical part. Right? दोस्तों क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में देखते हैं. In this it is given a medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each other of its ends. So the length of entire capsule is 14 millimeter. The diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. Then find the surface area. So you can understand this question after seeing the figure. Getting the meaning, then draw the figure. Afterwards let us solve the क्वेश्चन. ओके दोस्तों, इस फिगर में आपको ये जो शेप दिख रहा है, ये शेप कैप्सूल के शेप का दिख रहा है. इन दिस कैप्सूल और दिस कैप्सूल कंसिस्ट अ सिलेंडर एंड टू हेमिस्फेयर एट द two edges of the cylinder. Given that the diameter of the cylinder is 5 millimeter, so therefore the diameter of the hemisphere will be also the 5 millimeter. Okay, as the total length of this capsule is given 14 millimeter, so that in this total length of the figure means 14 millimeter, there is the diameter of the hemisphere is also. So see the other figure of this capsule, so you can understand it easily. In this figure, the diameter and the radius and the height of this cylinder is shown clearly. So the height of the cylindrical part is 9 millimeter. Why? Because there is the diameter means 5 centimeter is minus by the hemisphere at the both end. Okay, so 14 minus 5 is equals to 9 centimeter. It is the length, and the radii of hemisphere as well as the cylindrical part is 5 upon 2. Because the diameter was 5, so radius will be 5 by 2. So let us see the solution of this question further. Okay, from the figure it is clear that the length of, in the solution of this question, from the figure it is clear that the height or length of cylindrical part of capsule in the capsule equals to 14 minus 5, which is 9 mm. So this is height you can say or length you can say. Therefore, so the height of h is equals to 9 millimeter, which is of the cylindrical part, right? As the diameter of the capsule is given 5 millimeter, so the radius according to this radius as you will get, so since diameter is given is equals to 5 mm, so the radius becomes 5 by 2 millimeter, and this is the radius of the cylindrical part as well as the radius of the hemispherical part. So let us find the surface area of the capsule. So the total surface area of capsule is equals to chord surface area of cylinder plus chord surface area of hemisphere at the first end and chord surface area of hemisphere at the second end, right? So chord surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH plus chord surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square and other chord surface area is 2 pi r square. So this you can add 2 pi RH plus 4 pi r square. Let us take common something, that pi and 1 r is common. Okay, pi and r taken the common, so we'll get 2 multiplied by h plus 4 r. So let us simplify it. Value of pi is 22 upon 7, radius is 5 by 2 into 2 multiplied by height is 9 plus 4 multiplied by 5 by 2 millimeter square. So 2 11s are 11 5s are 55 upon 7 multiplied by 9 2s are 18 plus 2 2s are 4 5 2s are 10. That is equals to 55 upon 7 multiplied by 28 millimeter square, and 7 4s are 28. So 4 multiplied by 55, 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20 plus 2 is 22 millimeter square is the required answer of, means the total surface area of the capsule. Understood? To find the total surface area of capsule, we have to find the chord surface area of cylinder plus chord surface area of hemispherical part at the first end and the chord surface area of the second hemisphere at the second end. And after solving, we will get our answer 220 millimeter square.